was in the last days when I started to hear those strange sounds from the attic. Every night when I was in bed, I started to hear it. It was very intriguing, and I decided to investigate what happened. I live in a big house with my Aunt Anne, because my parents were dead. Investigate and investigate, and I discovered that every night my aunt went up to the attic with a plate of meat, and when she went down, the plate was empty. So one night I decided to went up to the attic to discover what was hiding my aunt. There were 12 o'clock, and I went off of the bed. I started to walk very slowly until I realized I was in front of the stairs of the attic. I started to went up the steps very slowly. All was in darkness, and I only had a candle. When I put my feet on the 8th step, I started to hear the strange sound from upstairs. I started to shiver, and I felt like I am going back again. But it was too late. My foot can't stop it, and I opened the small window. Now I can hear the strange sound louder, and I felt that I was going to faint because of the fear. The candle turned off, and then I can see it. There was a hunchback, giant, and when I saw his face totally deformed, illuminated by the moonlight, he started to scream like a ghost, and I fainted down the stairs.